Hey there, YouTube. I'm Tiffany. Today I will be reviewing the Arteza Metallic Gouache. I got a box that comes in 12 colors. They have a 3 and 2 star light fastness. All of them are 3 stars except for Pearl Orange and Pearl Bubblegum. They have a transparency rating. Looks like all of them are pretty opaque. They also have a pigment number. The paint is non-toxic. And looking at the box, let's see where they're made. It says that they are designed in the United States, but manufactured in PRC, which I am assuming stands for People's Republic of China. Each paint comes in 12 milliliter tubes in a plastic casing, and it looks like it's a double decker, so it stacks on top of each other, nicely compacted. Now we're going to swatch out the colors. First up is the Pearl White Rose, which is more of a pearlescent white. Next is Gold. And this is a really pretty rich gold. Next comes Pearl Orange. Doesn't look very pearlescent. Now for Bronze. This one is very pearlescent. Then we have Pearl Scarlet, more like a pink than a scarlet. Next is Pearl Bubblegum, and I really like this color. It's very pretty, just like its name. Next is Pearl Purple Iris. Then there's Pearl Aqua Blue. Now we have Pearl Emerald Green. That's a pretty green. Then we have Pearl Eucalyptus, which looks like a dull light green. Then we have Silver. And last, Pearl Noir. Here's a close-up of the color swatches. Some are more pearlescent than others. For my demo today, I will be using My Favorite Things Mermazing stamps to make a card using the watercolors. First, I'll be stamping out my images using VersaFine waterproof ink onto a 5x7 watercolor cardstock. You could see here that I'm using a post-it note to layer my stamps so that I don't overlap them. It's always a good idea to clean your stamps before putting them away. I am going to finish building up the scene using some of the stamps, and then after that I will use the metallic gouache to color them. stamped and die cut a sentiment, and now I'm adding a gold trim using the gold gouache. Now I'm going to run some glue tape onto the back of the gouache painting and then glue it onto a 5x7 card base. Next, I'm going to cut up some foam tape to pop it on the back of my sentiment to give it more dimension, and then glue it onto the card. Sending you oceans of love. Looking at the card, I felt that it was missing something, so I decided to use some Nouveau crystal drops and glue it onto the barrettes of the mermaids to add more sparkle. Okay, so here's the finished card. I think that these metallic gouache are fun to use as a supplement to other watercolors or gouache that you may have, but not exclusively on its own due to its limited color palette. Thanks so much for watching today. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Until next time, have a super duper tube-tastic day. Bye!